Welcome guys to the tutorial info channel. In front of me is Realme GT7 Pro, and in this video I am going to show you how to link Google Assistant to the power button on this device. Alright, so to do this, firstly we have to open our settings. Next we have to scroll down and open accessibility and convenience option. Now right here we have to scroll down till we find power button. Then we have to click on this only option, press and hold the power button, and here we have to choose digital assistant. And now when we press and hold power button, we're gonna have here our Google Assistant. And that's it. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!